Good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel SP Fun Puzzles. Today I am going to show you some cubes which we can solve by using the 3 by 3 formula. If you know the 3 by 3 formula, we can solve these cubes easily. It is same like 3 by 3 only. So let us see here. First one is this different cube. It is looking like ball cube. All small balls are there. So here three layers are there. So here we can solve this cube very nicely. It can rotate easily. So this is the one of the cube which can solve by using the 3 by 3 formula. So first you have to learn 3 by 3 beginners method. That is enough to solve this all the cubes. Here we are having another cube. So it is also like 3 by 3 cube only. So inside we have a sphere, outside we have a square. So here we can solve this one by one easily. So here same as it is how you are solving 3 by 3 cube, like that only we have to solve. So it may rotate like this easily, and last layer also we can rotate. So upper layer we can consider as first layer, and middle layer, and last layer. So easy we can solve. So this is also we can solve by using the 3 by 3 formula. It is called barrel cube. So in that barrel also it is a cylindrical cube. So here what we should do, first layer, middle layer, third layer. So we can rotate this easily up, down, so wherever we want, and in the same manner here also down, so white, yellow. So difference is that here we don't have side faces, only upper face is the down face is the total curved one. So here are two are there, no problem. You can consider as one side, this three you can consider as one side, and this you consider one side, this you consider one side. You can solve this, try. If you know 3 by 3, try these cubes. These are all good cubes only. It is a barrel cube. So in this barrel cube also same like this cube only. So we can solve this. So this is also easy. We have two faces. The difference is that here we have curved surface. If we don't have here curved surface. Okay. So here you consider this cube, very easy cube, and many members are struggling to solve this mirror cube. So I'll recommend this cube. This is the best ever cube. We can do time pass, we can learn easily. So here the problem is that while solving this cube, this layer we have small pieces. This you consider as yellow, and this layer we have big pieces. This you consider as white down. Okay, so if you consider like this, then what we should do, first you start with bigger pieces, then you make the plus here, then automatically we will get all the pieces oriented at the same places by using the 3 by 3 formula. If you use the 3 by 3 formula, we can solve it easily. So here all the friends and students, I am recommending you, if you know 3 by 3 formula, keep the paper. Top layer you consider as yellow, and down layer you consider as white. Okay, then you solve automatically. So while solving also here, while making the plus, you take this bigger pieces first. So here you take, so here we have, so you consider here this is the small, this is big, and this another big. This you don't consider, you close it. So it should be in clockwise direction, small. So again compared to this it is big, and compared to this it is big, and small and big should be opposite, and you close this and you consider like this clockwise direction, and you start solving oriented this piece, this piece, this piece, this piece. Automatically you can solve everything, second layer, third layer. You try this. I will make a full video how to solve a mirror cube by using the 3 by 3 formula. Thank you very much. Like, share, subscribe.